Understanding ankle protection, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, ankle protection. This term might seem straightforward, but it's used in a variety of contexts. And understanding these can really enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Ankle protection refers to any method or device that is used to protect the ankles from injury. This can include various kinds of footwear like high-top shoes or specific devices like ankle guards. It's commonly discussed in sports, healthcare, and occupational safety. Interestingly, ankle protection can also have a figurative meaning. In some contexts, it might refer to support or security in a broader sense. For instance, in a business context, taking precautionary measures to safeguard against unforeseen difficulties could be likened to ankle protection. In everyday conversation, ankle protection is typically used in a literal sense. For example, a parent might remind their child to wear shoes with ankle protection while playing basketball. However, being aware of its figurative use can be helpful in understanding more complex discussions or literary texts. That's all about ankle protection. Whether it's safeguarding your ankles in sports or understanding its metaphorical use, this phrase is a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.